Hi, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency. We specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more business. And what I did was I did a keyword search for Charleston Roofing. This is the most popular keyword search for folks in the Charleston area looking for their roofing needs to be taken care of. So this is the page one, and the results that come up. There's a couple of ads. Here's the map pack. Here's the organic rankings, and some of these are your competitors that you'll see. Charleston Roof. This is a directory. Baker Roofing, Charleston Roof, and Roofs and Windows. And there's others. So anyway, the top 3 or 4 companies on page one are getting about 80% of the business, the new business, because folks just do not go beyond page 2 or 3 or further to look for companies. I did look for yours, and you are on page 3, about midway down, Southline Roofing. So again, we went to your site, which looks nice. There's good color, good picture. Things look clean, but in Google's eyes, they want to trust your site, and one of the ways they trust your site is they want to look at your heading tag and your metadata or title tags to see and know what your site is about in order to rank it, because they're trying to help their end user to identify and make it easier for them in their searches. So plug your website URL into our analyzer, and this is what comes up as your heading tag, which is protect your investment with top quality roofing materials. I'm sure that's important for you to convey to your customers. However, Google, that does not tell Google what your site is about, and they want it to be congruent, or when you make it congruent with the search term Charleston Roofing, you're going to have a better search result and you're going to rank higher. So you could just go in and tweak that to Charleston Roofing, put a vertical line and the name of your company right there, and you'll boost your ranks. We also put it into to extract your metadata and look at your title tag, and you've got residential roof repair, and again this would need to be congruent with the header tag so that Google identifies what your site is about, and will trust it more so that they can rank it higher. So again, you'd want to go Charleston Roofing, vertical line, the name of your company. You can also include, if you've got enough character space, your roof repair, installation, storm damage, things like that. But you want to keep it crisp and clean just for that piece of it. And we can take care of that for you. You can do that on your own. We do it for companies all over the country. I only work with one client in one niche in one city. So just so that my clients do not compete against each other, and I can take care of you. And looking for a long-term partner. Again, if this helps you, you can do it yourself. And if you need some help doing it, be happy to help you. Just reach out to me or reply to my email. Thanks, and have a good day.